Do you suffer with tired eyes? Yes. A puffy face? Yes. Skin trouble, trouble sleeping, bad skin, headaches, etc, etc? Yes, yes, yes. Then look no further than here. As a singer, I found a really cool gadget to help me with all of this, and trust me, I've seen results personally, so I do believe in this a lot. Hi everybody, and welcome to First Melodies, your first steps into music, melodies and making memories. Today I'm in the comfort of my own home because I have something really excited to talk to you about that we can all use. I can sing better in the mornings because of it. I've always struggled with my asthma, breathing and sinuses, and as a singer that is the last thing you want, so I found something that can help me, and I'm so excited to show you this today. Yay! Now before I start, this is not sponsored in any way. I just really believe in this product after trying it out for a few weeks. But I just want to quickly shout out the company that I got it for. It's a lovely independent company called Light and Shine Ltd. And yeah, I'll put the link below to their socials and their website where you can get one of these from. This is the Rose Face Roller. Love it. They're a great, affordable and professional independent local business, so they sell tons of amazing products, so please go and check them out. I also just want to make, excuse me, I've got an exciting project going on out there, so if you can hear that noise, apologies in advance. I also just want to say that I am not a qualified doctor or health profession in any way. I'm just a singer-songwriter that likes to try new things out to help me. I also have a distinction in music practice. I'm a voice teacher and I've just opened my own music school. I've also done a lot of research to help me to use this project for my personal use and to help you guys because I really believe in it. So what is this? This is a face roller. You've probably seen these on a lot of beauty blogger YouTubes for your skin and makeup and contouring. Awesome. But I've discovered it's also great for vocalists who suffer from a lot of congestions or tiredness and things like that, because let's face it, being a singer is a hard, tiring job. It's been great for my vocal quality and clarity and also my sinus health. It's probably not going to be for everyone, but it is scientifically proven to do some help. So what is it for? So a face roller is said, depending on the type of stone that you use, can be for face wrinkles, puffy faces, acne, contouring and blending in your makeup. It can help you just relax and soothe your skin really well. But the main benefit for this that I want to talk about today is how it can help your lymphatic system. Now don't run away, I can tell you this in simple forms. Your lymphatic system is your glands that remove excess fluid and waste from your body, and it's so important for your body that that works well because it gives you a healthier immune system, and as a singer you need a healthy immune system as often as you possibly can, because as soon as a cold kicks in, it makes your life difficult. We have many of these lymph nodes in our bodies, including our heads, our ears, our cheeks, our face, our necks, our underarms and even our groin area. But I want to focus on our neck glands mainly and our face areas. A lot of beauty bloggers tell you how to contour and use it for your face, but actually avoid the neck, and the neck is the most important part of the whole thing for flushing the system. What you want to be doing is getting the blood pumping and flowing, so we're pushing it all up, and then we're going to be pushing it all back down again, which takes the fluids and gets your blood pumping, so all of those waste fluids can get back into your system, get pumped back into your heart and be eliminated from your body. Okay, so this is not a hair tutorial, but you're gonna want to get rid of any hair over your neck or your head. I learned the hard way that when I started face rolling with my hair everywhere, I got it caught in the rollers a lot, and that includes my very long eyelashes. So yes, make sure your hair is out the way, and when you do get to your eye part, use the smaller end and look up so you don't catch your eyelashes because it hurts. And with your neck, make sure your hair's out of the way or you're going to be rolling strands of your hair. You're going to get split ends and it's going to hurt. So I do each area about 15 to 20 times, but you can just do it 5 times, just see what works for you and experiment basically. I start by brushing all parts of my neck up and behind the ear. I'm not going to show you properly, I'm just showing you in quick form, so I will do this like 15 times. It's a bit squeaky, you have to get it in the right position for it not to squeak. So it goes up like this, and I'm going to do it all around, and you want to be going all the way up in this kind of swinging motion. So you're going to be doing your neck, then you're going to be doing your jawline, your cheeks, remember the eyes, little side, up. And then you're going to be doing your eyebrows and your head. I have a little wrinkle here, so I try and get that bit in lots too. Get rid of it, wrinkle, go! One day. And then once you've gone all the way up, you're just literally going to be coming all the way back down again. Round, round, and round, and round. Down and down, down, all the way to your clavicle, which is your collarbone. So while we're doing this, we just have to remember that we're stimulating our lymphatic flow. So all of this will help the blood circulate around your body, and it just flushes all the toxins from your body. I do notice every time I do this properly, my forehead goes really red, so I know that the blood is pumping, and then when I put it all down again, it goes back to my normal paleness. You don't want to do this hard, you're doing this really lightly, we don't want to hurt anything. Just a massive point, no, this does not slim your face and jawline, does not help you lose weight, that is all a myth. The only illusion it does give you is if you do suffer with a lot of puffiness and excessive fluid on your face, and this flushes it out. Yes, it does give the illusion that you have a thinner, less rounder face, because that fluid's gone. I do this once or twice a day in the morning to get me ready to go. The most important time for me to do it is at night time, because since I've been using it, my puffy eyes have completely disappeared and I've been sleeping great. Last night I didn't use this and I could not fall asleep, so I'm very reliant on it now. So the results for me personally, well, I have been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I no longer have my puffy eyes. Right here, when I'm overtired or when I just haven't had a great night's sleep, and it instantly went down loads since using this. And honestly, as soon as I use it at night time, normally I'll go on my phone or I can read for a little bit. I can't, my eyes are like and I'm gone. Last night when I didn't use this, I struggled to fall asleep, so it's like having a lovely little face massage before bed, and it really, really chills you out. I have been waking up, being able to sing in the morning. Normally I'm so stuffy in my nose and my throat's like, and I'm coughing and I'm coughing all the yucky stuff up that my body's been trying to get rid of. And it's almost like this gets rid of it before I sleep, so I'm not sleeping on all of this stuffiness building up, and it's eliminated before, so when I wake up I'm fresher, brighter, and I feel great. I'm ready for the day, and I can sing in my car in the morning and just have a great time. There's tons of YouTube videos that you can watch that might go through this in a better way with you, but I just really wanted to talk more about the benefits and what you could be missing information wise on the internet about this. I actually did a lot of research on this from a doctor's point of view, and they do use this for cancer patients, because if you've had any kind of surgery on any part of your body, your lymphatic system doesn't work as well. So this, or even just using your hands to massage it, is great for helping your lymphatic flow get going and move more. So it is definitely a proven method. So as a singer, should I get one? Personally, yes. I'm so glad that I got one of these. It might not work for you, like I said. Not everything works for everybody, but it is so worth trying out. And to be fair, even if it doesn't work for the things that it's worked for me for, don't be disappointed. Use it for your contouring, use it for spreading out your makeup, use it just for like a nice kind of face roll when you're too hot, because it's really cooling and lovely. You can put them in the fridge. I've got the rose one because apparently it's less easy to break, and I'm very clumsy and drop lots of things. And also the rose one is the best type of stone for what I want to be using it for. But there is the jade stone and lots of others on Light and Shine LTD. Don't forget, links are below. They have different ones of these. I just really love the rose one, which is why I went for that. It comes in a lovely little bag too, so to keep it really safe, or as safe as I possibly can as a clumsy person. And if it doesn't work for you, I'm really sorry, but if you do try it out, I'd love you to tell me in the comment sections how you get on with it and your experience with it and what kind of benefits or changes you've seen from it, because I'd love to know that there's more people in the world that I've helped. So yes, thank you for watching, and I hope that I have managed to teach you something today in the most simplest form ever. Don't forget, this channel is not just for children and preschoolers. This is a really beneficial tool to adults, young adults. But yeah, it's a great little tool, and I'm sure that if anything, it's great for massaging and chilling you out ready before that lovely performance that we're hopefully going to be able to do very soon once everything gets back to normality. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day. Remember, we are First Melodies, your first steps to music, melodies and making memories. Soon we're going to have a lot more to offer, so go and check out our website, www.firstmelodies.com. And all of our socials under First Melodies, all links are below. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this helps improve your vocal health or just helps you have a very chilled out day. Enjoy the rest of your week and see you soon. Bye!